a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my eye, got you.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit that was sent over from Sunber Hair. They sent over their Jerry Curly Ombre Honey Blonde Highlighted Lace Wig. Now this is my first time ever working with Sunber Hair, so I'm pretty interested to see how their unit is going to be, seeing as how I always see them all over social media. The cap construction for this unit is your standard cap construction. It comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front with 1 on each side. It also has adjustable straps here in the back, and then it also comes with a pre-attached security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. This is a 13x4, meaning you are going to get 13 inches going across the front and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space. You can get this unit with or without baby hairs, and then also if like full-on frontals like aren't your thing, you can get this unit in, I want to say it's a 6x4.75, yeah, with pre-cut lace. They do offer this unit in 16 all the way down to 24 inches, and of course I received a 24 inch. And as far as density is concerned, this is 150% density, and she is for sure feeling like your standard curly 150% density unit. This unit did come with pre-bleached knots, but I did go in and re-bleach the knots just because I saw like a few speckles that had been missed. Now don't get me wrong, it looked fine before, but you know, me being me, I'm trying to perfect my bleaching and whatnot, so I had to do it. But this is how the unit is looking right now. To me, I feel like it's giving scalp just like on my hand alone, so I feel like once I like put the unit on, I feel like it's really gonna give scalp. But okay, that's enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and install this unit. So this is what the unit is looking like so far. I mean, granted, I did just put her on my head, but I will say that the unit does look like it's been pre-plucked. I could go in and pluck it a little bit more, but I'm not, just because of the style that I know I want to do with this unit. I think I want to go for an up down. I started to say up down, half up, half down. Why can't I talk? Half up, half down style today. So yeah. Okay, so I know how I just said that the unit was fitting nicely and everything, but I'm gonna let you know right here, right now, that this unit is not big head friendly. She's not too tight, but she's also not like loose. Like, she's not big head friendly. Also, she isn't coming past my hairline where my edges are, so I'm not gonna put any even spray or anything like that right here, which unfortunately means that I am probably gonna have to do baby hairs, as much as I don't like them, you know, because girl, I don't feel like I'm the best at them, but I am probably gonna have to do a baby hair on this side, but we move. let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Sunber Hair. I know I had already stated that this unit is not big head friendly, but I will say there are ways around it. If you push the unit back a little bit and then create a bang the way I did, and then also add some baby hairs, you might be able to get away with wearing it comfortably. The coloring of this unit was done really well in my opinion. I'm really liking the like random bright highlights that are like thrown throughout this unit. I don't know, it's just real cute to me. It almost adds like a little bit of character. To me, this unit in a half up, half down style, I don't know, she's giving. I like the fact that I was able to do, you know, a cute little swoop, also do a half up, half down style, and you're not able to see any tracks in the back. Now, when I did the 360 earlier in the video for you all, you probably seen like a bobby pin up top back here. Don't worry, there's no track showing or anything like that. I did that because the hair like pushes up right here, and I don't know, I just wasn't feeling that look, so I took a bobby pin and I pushed it down a little bit. Now, we all know that this is a Jerry curly unit because obviously I stated it at the beginning, but then also you seen whenever I was installing the unit, I used some water and some mousse to like define the curls. Now, yes, I could have simply left it in that state to where it's just, you know, the super defined curls, but I don't know, I feel like Jerry curly units are typically styled one of two ways: in the super defined state, or either brushed out and it's like big, poofy, and fluffy and whatnot. To me, I don't know, I wanted a combination of the two. When I look at this unit, I can see like some of the defined curls a little bit, but then also I see, you know, the big puffy fluffy, yeah, parts of the unit as well. But then I also took my wand curler and, you know, added a few little wand pieces here and there, and I don't know, I feel like this kind of shows the versatility of Jerry curly unit. Like I stated earlier, most of the time you see them styled, Jerry curly units styled one of two ways, and I don't know, I just wanted to switch it up a little bit this go around. Now, I can't remember if I mentioned this earlier in the video, but I do want to let you guys know that this unit does shed, and also it's a little bit on the drier side. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not mad at the dryness because it did aid in me like creating this type of style, but I just want to let you guys know, be mindful of the products that you choose to use in this unit, you know, so you don't dry it out even more. I really don't have too much else to say about this unit, but if I think about anything else, I'll make sure to leave it down in the comment section below. You guys let me know your thoughts and opinions as well down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to Sunber Hair for sending over this unit for me to review. It is much appreciated. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to leave all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so please make sure to check it out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.